Hello, my name is Adrian Milag. So today I will share to you a very powerful verse from the book of Matthew, chapter 9, verse 37. Sabi sa verse na to, "The harvest is abundant, but the laborers are few." Alam mo nung nire-reflect ko yung verse na to, it struck me with a message that I will share to you today. Alam mo, na-realize ko, marami sa atin na gusto maging successful, gusto maging mayaman. Actually, pag lumabas ka nga sa labas, pag nagtanong ka, sino gusto maging successful, gusto maging mayaman, di ba lahat yan gusto? Tama? Pero kasi, nagkakatalo lang pag action na ang usapan. Alam mo yun, yung tipo na most people ayaw mahirapan, ayaw pagpawisan, ayaw maputikan. Alam mo yun, ayaw gusto yung instant, gusto yung madalian. Alam mo, naniniwala kasi ako na ang mga challenges and trials, nandyan yan, not to destroy us, but to develop us. Right? Kasi it's the only way for you to become successful. It's the only way for you to become a better person. It's the only way for you to achieve your dreams and goals in life. Kaya parang tama no? The blessings are already there. Nandiyan yung blessings. Pinrovide na sa atin ni Lord. Pero few people lang, konting tao lang talaga, have this guts, this courage, this boldness to step up and to take risk. And I believe kasi na if you trust God, if you have faith deep within you, kahit gaano pa kahirap ang kailangan mong pagdaanan, kahit narrow path pa yan, if God is with you, who can be against you? Right? Yes, there will be problems. Yes, there will be trials. Yes, there will be difficulties. But at the end of the day, God will manifest in your life, because all of this is all for His glory. And I want to encourage you to step up, to fight for your dreams. Di ba? Huwag ka tutulad sa ibang tao dyan na kinalimutan na yung pangarap nila. Sumuko na. Ayaw na mag-risk kasi nasaktan. Alam mo, masarap mabuhay na maging blessing ka sa ibang tao kasi tinupad mo yung pangarap mo. Okay? So, kung meron ka mga gustong share sa akin na insight, feel free to make a comment below. And I will highly appreciate it. Okay, so thank you and God bless you more.